Got that outside linebacker spot, baby. Let's go get it. Come on. Up. Come on. Stay there. 20 out there. 20. Come on. Come on, baby. Get down there. Yeah. Good. Come on. 8, 9. Come on. Hold on. Come on, baby. Rock and roll, baby. Come on. You old 15. Let's get it. Come on, that spot. You want that starting spot? Let's roll. Push. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Get in your head, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Push.
They won't let me move.
Yeah, let's go move. I got your spot. Press. Let's get started. Come on. Up. Come on. Keep riding out. Let's go. 2. Go. 3. 4. Come on. 5. 6. Come on. 7. 8. 9. 10. 5 deep. Come on. No. Not bracket. Come on. You old 5. You old 5.
I can't.
You got it, baby. You got it. Breathe, baby. Breathe. You got it.
Yeah.
Stay there. Breathe. You old 5, baby. Come on. Go get that money. Come on, get that 5. Give me 5 deep. Come on. Let's go. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe.
Hey, you gonna make me not want to go to work.
Hey, baby, it's leg day. You don't do nothing on leg day but leg it. Just finished training legs, here with my brother Doug. Just killed it. Feeling sore as hell. Talking about all our elements, but we got through it. Got a new guy with us today, couldn't quite hang, but he gonna step up to the plate. Thought he was actually training legs, but he came out here with us and saw that he ain't doing good enough, so we're gonna get him in here on a consistent basis and build him up. He's attending Limestone right now. I'm gonna do a follow-up interview with him. get him to get up here and talk. He hopefully going to a D1 school soon. So he gonna get in here and hit it hard as well on the field. My brother Doug.
How y'all doing?
He been up to, what was your highest weight?
280.
He's up to 280. He ain't nowhere near it now. He's down over 20 plus pounds now. Probably closer to 30. It ain't time to weigh in yet. But
We'll find out.
yeah. Basically doing a special up on him. You're gonna see him a lot. It means a lot to me when someone steps to you and say, you know, they want to make a change for themselves. You can't make somebody do what you want them to do. This fitness journey, you ain't gonna take your journey till you ready. No matter who around you, no matter what, it depends on what you're going through. He was going through a lot, hit me up. I thought something was going on, something was wrong. And he said, you know what, it's time for me to get right. So that's what we in here doing. So you're gonna see a lot of him doing his thing, complaining, bitching.
What I do best.
But he get it done every time. But again, everybody's reality is different. Be fit for yours.